one job.
Well, I suck at my job, okay?
I can tell.
Hey guys, welcome to another Beginner at Life video. I'm Beginner at Life James. I'm here with Cameron again. We're going to do tornado kicks today. This should be fun.
This is going to be fun watching a fat guy do it.
It's going to hurt.
It's going to hurt a lot.
It's going to hurt me.
You'll be fine. It's only pain.
It's only pain. Things I do for love and views.
Ah!
Did you stab your fingers?
Everything. Ah!
Is this sharp here?
Yes, it's sharp here. It is very sharp, James.
Oh no!
Ah! They're everywhere. Who designed this park?
Oh!
So you found one too.
Oh god! Removing locations.
Ah! You make this.
Okay, we're moving.
I'm fine with that.
Oh shit!
Is it on there too? Oh!
It's all about twisting. So I don't have hip twisting, okay?
This hip. In.
Yeah.
Hey, stay on
I didn't fall. It looked like shit, but I didn't fall.
the Don't worry, mine still looks like shit. And I'm busy.
Where's Sensei Seth when I need him?
So we're busy.
Sensei Seth would like to see me fail. Icy Mike wants to see me fail.
Almost me. I swear it just look. You just look like a little
Yeah, see, you're still looking cleaner. At least I'm landing on my feet. Cheat the step a little bit. Cheat the step.
Now all you gotta do is
Oh shit, that was even worse than the other ones. That was so bad.
twist hip, raise knee, underfoot, whip.
I will slap you. I will hurt you. I don't need a tornado kick to beat your ass.
But it'd be helpful. That would be something I'd never see from you. Twisting hip. Oh shit, I'm broke.
You deserve that. Oh shit.
Where's the whip, James?
Oh, found it.
I pulled a muscle. There you go, hurting yourself again. See? That carries you. Remember what the man said.
Oh,
Where's the whip, James?
that was my arm. It whipped me in the back. Does that count?
Plus you're whipping yourself.
With me?
Talk about
Knock the shit out of you. Oh, nope. There's no whip in that.
You're bleeding.
I am bleeding.
How bad did you whip your own ass? I'm impressed.
Now, this is not the most impressive self-harm I've ever done.
We're going to need a hell of a lot of context.
Context is important.
We're going to need a hell of a lot of context.
Where's Sensei Seth when I need him?
Somewhere. Probably training a lot harder than we are right now.
Probably training a whole lot harder than we are right now. Oh, oh. Oh shit. Ah! Ah!
Found some more?
Oh my god.
Found a lot of them, didn't you?
Oh, these are really in here.
You had one job. And you didn't even do the tornado kick this time. Now I'm legitimately impressed.
Failing at comedy is nothing new for me.
Failing out a lot of things is nothing new. One job, James.
See, now I have to get them out of my ass and my leg.
Please leave that one in. Wait a minute, what was I doing? Wrong one.
Making me look bad and almost killing my camera.
Almost, but not.
Alright guys, I'm back. I had to move locations to the Prattville Dam because I stepped in stickers, or fell in stickers a little too many times, and it wasn't fun. So yeah, here I am now.
Been there. Ah!
You deserve that. Now I gotta start over.
Be sure to like, share, and die. Oh wait, that's stolen from somebody else.
Am I allowed to have that?
Maybe? I don't know, check on Mundo Media. Like, share, die.
Yeah, keep doing that dance. Alright guys, if you like what you saw, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below the next thing you'd like to see me try, and I will try to get to it. And remember, you're not alone. Let's be beginners together.